part of our corporate social responsibility, we at Awal Gulf Manufacturing Company believe that as leaders and experts in the HVAC industry for almost 50 years, we have got a role to play in providing solutions to the community and HVAC industry that emphasizes our commitment to our sustainability. This is something that is embedded in our corporate DNA. The approach of ours is perfectly in line with the 2030 economic vision of Bahrain, aiming at reducing the usage of natural gas with the objective of adapting to renewable energy to produce electricity. With that being said, we have taken the initiative in developing a new product utilizing solar energy. It's a pilot project for now, focusing on the residential segment, and we are hopeful that we can further enhance that to cover a wider range of products in the near future.
Bahrain plans to achieve 6% energy efficiency by 2025. What that means is using less energy, thereby cutting its cost, but gaining same amount of output from the same energy services. Secondly, it has established renewable energy targets of 5% of the country's total power generation by 2025 and 10% by 2035. With that effect, Awal Gulf Manufacturing took a pioneering role of introducing hybrid DC inverter solar air conditioning in the Kingdom of Bahrain. Let's show you the pilot test project in one of the caretaker accommodation in the middle of the Shakhir desert here in Bahrain. The team of energy engineers from Awal Gulf Manufacturing collected data samples over a period of time to better understand the overall performance and advantages of the system. Come have a look at our smart app and how the unit is performing.
We can operate the air conditioner by the app, solar aircon. Okay, we can put power on and off through the app. So now we switched on the AC through the app. So now we can see the set temperature. We can change the set temperature here. What is the set temperature we want to change? In this one we have a mode selection. So whether we want cool or we want heat, we can change the mode from here. And we can change the fan speed also. We want low speed or we want in the auto fan speed. So we can change the speed of the AC unit. Here we can see the power. Power comes from solar panel. Now it is coming 1020 watts as a power. So now the compressor is not on, it is showing 0 at the output. So you can see the power from the panel is 1020 watts. At the bottom you can see the total power consumption till the date installed the AC. It is coming from the solar panels.